Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome back. So the first two videos you saw in this little mini series was, the first one was how I removed my hard gel extensions. Second one was how I do a dry mani. In this video, I'm going to show you how to perform an IBX treatment on these nails right over here. So first off, you only need repair on areas that you need it. Otherwise, you don't need to use repair. I like to put repair right over here. I'm gonna put it in this area right over here. You can see the free edge of my nail like kicks back slightly over there. So I'm gonna put repair over here. So first what we want to do is we want to clean the nail plate, make sure there is no dust or debris in the way. Now that we cleaned the nail plate, I'm gonna go in with repair and I'm just gonna put it on the free edge of my ring finger, like right in this corner. So I'm just gonna put repair right over here. So next what I'm gonna do is I have this halogen light next to me over this way on my desk, and I'm gonna pop this under the halogen light for 1 minute, and then I'll be right back. So after I heat the product, I'm just basically gonna block this off, and that's all you're gonna do. So next, I'm now gonna put my hand in the lamp and I'm gonna cure this for 1 minute. So after you take that out of the lamp, I'm now just going to block once more. Now, after you used a repair on any parts of the nail plate that need it, then you're going to go in with strength. Now, how the system works is that you cannot use repair by itself. You have to use these two together, but you can use strengthen all by itself. So my other nail plates here, the rest of my hand, I'm going to go in and I'm going to do strengthen on all my other nails. So now that the strengthen has been applied to my nail plate, this isn't the first treatment that I'm doing. I've done this before, so I'm only going to keep this underneath the halogen light, which is over this way, for 2 minutes. So this is the halogen light over here, and this is all that you need to do. Just make sure your nails are just hitting that heat source with the light. I have this under here for 2 minutes, then I'm gonna blot off the excess and then pop my hands into the LED lamp for 1 minute. So now that I'm done with the halogen lamp, I'm gonna take my wipe and I'm literally just gonna blot. I'm just gonna blot this, just like this. Just to remove any excess, and now I'm gonna put my hand in my LED lamp and cure for 1 minute. So now that this is done in the lamp, I'm just gonna take this and wipe. Okay, and now I'm all done with my IBX treatment. Now, just to top all of this off and clean any crusties that are on my skin, I'm going to go in with Daddy Oil, which is also from Famous Names. I'm going to use the polisher bit right here from Erica's ATA, and I'm just going to use this on my skin to exfoliate and clean up the skin around my nails. So when you use this bit, The optimal speed is 20,000 RPMs because this polisher bit is only meant to be used with cuticle oil. Right now I have this bit at 16,000 RPMs. I take my cuticle oil, I'm gonna rub this in. Now all you're doing is literally just cleaning. You're using the bit to exfoliate and clean the skin. And that's literally it. So let's do the rest. Now when I'm done, this is what everything looks like. You can see my nail plate is nice and clean. Everything looks hydrated and nothing looks dry and crusty. I'm gonna put a before picture somewhere over here so you can see what my nails look like before. I hope you enjoyed this little mini series of how to remove hard gel extensions, how to do a dry manicure, and how to perform an IBX treatment. Everything that I use will be in the description box below, and I'll talk to you later.